right, good morning. We're doing a room tour with Godfrey. This is room 436 here. So you walk in, it's kind of a small room, but nice room. You kind of walk in, but on the right, not a ton of space around there. I took out this luggage stand, but there's there's some drawers under the bed where the luggage stand usually is. This looks like a steamer maybe. It's a serious clothes steamer. There's this drawer over here too with the safe. And they have these drawers kind of like stuck out when you come in the room so that you can, basically so that you know they're there. Otherwise they're just totally hidden. Some fancy art, fancy lights. So last time I was here, I actually stayed on one of the exterior walls, which is honestly a little loud because this is like heart of Hollywood here, which is also why they include a face mask and some earplugs for you. But these interior courtyard rooms are a lot quieter, kind of nice, I think. You can see the rooftop bar up there. This is like 7 in the morning, so everyone's asleep except me, who's still running on Central Time here. Nice little desk. They include some nice like LA kind of magazines. Wear Traveler, Los Angeles Magazine, the grocery store that became LA's hottest meat market. A little closet here. I'm trying out this like Soul Guard hanging closet. Kind of compresses down, you pack it up in your bag. I like it a lot. It made it pretty easy to unpack and just stay organized over a trip. Little Illy coffee maker. Some different options there. A little mini fridge with some water. And then the bathroom's got this big sliding door. It's inside, pretty nice bathroom. There's a robe, nice lights there, and the shower is kind of like one overhead and one of those like handle things you can use, and the brands are this Bigelow Apothecaries brand. Nice little compact place to stay in the middle of Hollywood.